Have you ever opened your banking app at the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? Not because you bought a new car, not because you took a luxury vacation, not because you made some massive financial mistake, but somehow, despite working hard and earning a decent income, your bank balance barely moves. And the strange part? You can't even point to a single purchase that caused the problem. That's because the biggest threat to your financial future isn't usually a dramatic mistake. It's an invisible enemy quietly draining your money every single day. And most people never notice it until years later. My name is Jack. If you're interested in building better financial habits and growing your wealth, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin with a simple question. What if I told you that the biggest enemy of your bank account isn't low income? It's not inflation. It's not even debt. The real enemy is something psychologists call unconscious spending. These are purchases you make automatically without thinking. A coffee here, a food delivery there, a subscription you forgot about, a quick online purchase because it was on sale. Individually, these expenses seem harmless, but together, they create a financial leak that can cost thousands of dollars every year. Let's look at an example. Imagine you spend just $15 per day on things you barely remember buying. Maybe it's snacks, convenience purchases, app subscriptions, or impulse shopping. $15 doesn't sound like much, but over a year, that's over $5,400. And over 10 years, more than $54,000. Now here's where things become really interesting. The problem isn't the amount. The problem is invisibility. Because if someone took $15 directly from your wallet every day, you'd notice immediately. You'd get angry. You'd want answers. But when money disappears in small digital transactions, your brain treats it differently. And that's where psychology enters the picture. Our brains are designed to focus on big events. Large purchases get our attention. Small purchases often don't. This is known as the small expense effect. We underestimate the long-term impact of tiny decisions because they don't create immediate pain. Credit cards make this even worse. Digital payments remove the feeling of handing over cash. The transaction becomes frictionless. And when spending becomes frictionless, spending usually increases. This is exactly why so many people feel stuck financially. They're not making catastrophic mistakes. They're simply losing money through hundreds of tiny decisions they barely notice. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but what can I do about it? Fortunately, the solution is much simpler than most people expect. Step 1, track every expense for 7 days. Not forever, just 7 days. The goal is awareness, because you can't fix what you can't see. Most people are shocked when they discover where their money is actually going. Step 2, identify your invisible leaks. Look for recurring subscriptions, impulse purchases, convenience spending, unused memberships. Step 3, create a spending pause. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. This simple habit dramatically reduces emotional spending. Step 4, automate your savings. Don't wait until the end of the month to save what's left. Save first. Spend what's left. This one shift changes everything, because it removes the need for constant willpower. And here's the most powerful insight. The goal isn't to stop spending money. The goal is to spend intentionally. Money should support your goals, not quietly disappear without your awareness. Think of your bank account like a bucket. Most people focus on pouring more water into the bucket through raises and higher income. But if the bucket has small holes, the water keeps leaking out. Before you worry about earning more, make sure you're fixing the leaks, because income helps. But awareness changes everything. Let's quickly summarize. First, recognize that unconscious spending is the invisible enemy of your bank account. Second, track your expenses for 1 week. Third, identify financial leaks. Fourth, create a 24-hour pause before unnecessary purchases. And fifth, automate your savings so your future gets paid first. Because the truth is, building wealth isn't usually about making one brilliant financial decision. It's about avoiding thousands of invisible mistakes. And once you become aware of them, your financial life starts to change. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. And let me ask you something. What's one expense you discovered recently that was quietly draining your money? Let me know in the comments below.